thank you for the invitation. So I'm Diana Barrios and I'm head of membership at WindEurope. As you know, WindEurope is the wind energy association in Europe, working actively promoting wind across Europe. We have over 550 members spanning the whole supply chain of wind, so from wind turbine manufacturers to project developers, utilities operators, marine contractors, research institutes and other national associations.
Is it a good moment for wind energy?
I would say it's a pretty good moment. So last year, for example, we installed 18 gigawatts of new wind energy projects in Europe, and we had 27 gigawatts of awarded new wind projects, which is massive. These 27 gigawatts were divided 50-50 onshore and offshore. After several challenging years in the industry, as you may know, with COVID there were supply chain disruptions, but we were also been experiencing slow permitting and rising costs, which was affecting the industry. But we are seeing that things are finally turning around now. We are seeing that governments are being more supportive on the back of the wind power package. So we see that the number of permittings are going up, the volumes and auctions are also going up, and investments in the supply chain and investments in new wind energy projects are also going up. So I would say that all in all, it is definitely a good moment for the wind industry.
What's the role of software solutions in these times?
Well, we see and we know that operation and maintenance costs, for example, are 20 to 40% of the cost of LCOE of a wind farm. And we know that digital solutions can and have the potential to reduce significantly these costs. So we see many processes that can be automatized, especially those in hard environmental conditions like offshore wind farms. This is also helping increase the safety of the sector. We see more and more innovative technologies that enable the increases in efficiency, reliability, and flexibility of the energy system. So we see these software solutions playing a key role in the industry, but we also see some risks and challenges out there. So especially in cybersecurity, the cybersecurity risk increases also with the use of software solutions. So we also need to bear in mind that it's important to work on making this data more secure, while we continue to digitalize more and more.
Everyone is talking about AI and predictive maintenance. Do you think it is only a buzzword, or is it one of the key trends also in the wind energy?
So I definitely think it's not a buzzword. The industry is using AI and machine learning for predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimization. We definitely see the potential of AI as it gives good recommendations for the optimization of performance of wind turbines and predict and prevent possible breakdowns. So definitely the applications of predictive maintenance are as diverse as they are impactful.
In your opinion, what's the future of software solution within the wind energy industry?
So we see and we know that offshore wind and wind in general will increase dramatically over the next couple of years. So we see software solutions as a key tool to help the industry optimize operations, enhance efficiency, reduce costs, and improve reliability. We know that these solutions have the potential to scale up, and as we will get more clarity from the legislation regarding data sharing and digitalization in general, these solutions will continue to be increasingly more implemented in the industry, and will continue to help the industry develop processes and accuracy of our energy system.